Good morning again, folks. This is Stephen Johnson versus Chemtrails. It is now 11:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and as you can see, it is relentless. It is absolutely relentless. Look at this. Sheets and sheets. I've seen rainstorms that look like this before. Never quite seen snow do this before. Look at that. It's just steadily moving across. And this wind has been going like this constantly all day. All day long. Let me get it from another view. That's my balcony. Look at this. Look at that. Sheets and sheets of snow. Come on, focus already, damn it. There we go. Yes. This is just absolutely amazing. Nice. Icicles starting to form on mine now. I tried to get the wind on it. Oh well, probably failed. Anyway, this is absolutely incredible how it's moving. It's a hell of a blizzard. This is a hell of a snowstorm to bring in 2016. I can say that. Wonder how much I know. I know 3 days prior to this snowstorm, 3 days it was perfectly clear skies. Day before, they did heavy spraying. I do have photographs of heavy spraying, of chemtrails and everything going on right before the storm hit. So it could have fed it. Wonder how much. Wonder how many videos are going to pop up on YouTube of people burning snow this year. I still have not yet done that yet. I still have not experimented with that. I have not debunked that yet. I don't know why. Well, I have plenty of opportunity to do it now. I'll definitely be attempting to burn snow. And if it doesn't melt and if it is partially geoengineered, then I can honestly say that probably some of those videos floating around on YouTube are true. So that will be an experiment I will be doing eventually. Well, I hope you like the videos. I'll keep you posted throughout the day. This is Steven Johnson versus Chemtrails. Bronx, New York, 123:16. First blizzard of the year. And we are already up to 18 inches. Till next time, guys. Talk to y'all later. Peace.